we are looking at how to pronounce the name of Kylie Jenner's son. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names that too many people mispronounce as well, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So let's break down how you pronounce it. It's essentially just like the word air, so air, air. So essentially ignore the E at the end, it's like it's silent, basically. She confirmed it herself as well, that it is to be said air, so it's not Aire or Aire, air. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.